Hello everyone, great to have your company on 𝐊𝐿𝐼𝐴 TV. I'm Sage and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. In today's show we have got for you 3 stocks under $10 with strong returns in 2021 and a positive outlook. So these are stocks worth looking at, and that too at a very low investment cost. Novonix, Cettire and Aussie Broadband. Now let us look at a recent example of a stock that did wonders in a very short span of time. The buy now pay later company Afterpay is a classic example that shows how early investors can rake in lump sum amounts without burning their pocket, and the company got listed on the 29th of June 2017 and started trading at $2.95. By September 2021, Afterpay reached $130, representing a growth of more than 4,000%. Against that backdrop, let us look at 3 ASX stocks under $10 with a positive outlook. The first stock on our list is Novonix, traded on the ASX under the code NVX. And Novonix is the developer as well as supplier of high-performance materials, equipment and services for the global lithium-ion battery industry. It operates in the United States and Canada and has sales in over 40 nations. The company was listed on the 2nd of December 2015 and has witnessed a growth of 3,550% since the listing. The shares have delivered a year-to-date return of 383%, and on the 3rd of September 2021 the company became part of the S&P ASX 300 index. Novonix has focused on the accomplishment of its business plan along with growth plans in the financial year 2021. The company is well placed to be an industry leader at the face of product innovation in the battery development and material technology industry. And moreover, in the financial year 2022, they intend to preserve technology leadership around the EV battery and energy storage supply chain. Novonix also wants to implement the progress of synthetic graphite production capability and commercialise proprietary pipeline of advanced battery materials and process technologies. Novonix informed investors that they plan to expand the usage of its battery technology for grid storage purposes and invest in people training in 2022. On 10th of August 2021, New York Stock Exchange listed American multinational energy company Phillips 66 announced that it signed a deal with Novonix to acquire a 16% stake in Novonix, and this strategic investment would allow Phillips to directly support the development of the US battery supply chain. Moving on to the second stock, Cettire, traded on the ASX under the ticker code CTT. This online luxury goods retailer, Cettire, made its ASX debut on the 18th of December 2020, and the company witnessed a growth of 588% since listing. The shares have delivered a year-to-date growth of 632%. And to tell you in detail about the company, Cettire is an online retailer specialising in luxury designer brands such as Gucci, Prada and Valentino. The company has grown quickly since its launch in 2017 and now stocks more than 160,000 items of clothing, shoes, bags and other accessories. While the company originally only catered to adults, it has also recently launched a children's wear division. And from the earnings front, the company reported a 333% growth in gross revenue. The company is well capitalised for growth with a strong balance sheet. There is a significant market penetration opportunity in the future too. And this is a promising sign and shows the company is beginning to build a degree of brand loyalty among its customers. It reflects well not just on the company's product offering but also on the customer experience. And Cettire provides through its online store. Cettire intends to operate the business to maximise global revenue growth opportunities and aims for client acquisition, building organisational capability and technology investment in the short term. Well, that's about Novonix and Cettire, but let's take a small break now. I'll be right back with one more ASX stock under $10. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sage, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on 𝐊𝐼𝐴 TV. Watch the Crypto Buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at 𝐊𝐼𝐴 TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to Dogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, Sage, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV. Welcome back after the break. I am Sage and you're watching the Buzzing Trends by 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV. And for those who have just joined us, we are discussing ASX stocks under $10. But before the break, we explored the ASX listed Novonix and Satir. And the last stock to look at is Aussie Broadband, listed on the ASX as ABB. Telecommunication services and products provider Aussie Broadband got listed on the ASX 16th October 2020. Its shares saw a growth of 157%. The shares delivered a year-to-date growth of 147%. The company reported an 84% growth in its revenue, and total broadband services, broadband business and wholesale services, as well as mobile services, also witnessed a significant improvement. In July 2021, they experienced record broadband and mobile sales and expects a new record for August 2021. However, due to the dynamic and changing nature of the retail telecommunications market, continuing lockdowns and the impact on its connectivity virtual circuit expense, Aussie Broadband is currently not in a position to provide guidance for the financial year 2022. And recently, on the 6th of September 2021, the company announced a 10-year deal with 𝐕𝐝Track to swap access to their respective fibre networks. Through this deal, Aussie Broadband would be able to increase the geographic presence of its fibre network, particularly into the regional Victorian area. And that is all for today. Hope you found the show informative. Keep watching 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV for all the market and stock related insights. This is Sage signing off.